Football is the global game. Its popularity is unparalleled. In sports broadcasting, football becomes a focus for innovation as broadcasters attempt to provide the best possible experience of the beautiful game for their viewers. Building on BT Sport's track record for innovation with UHD, HDR, 360 video and Dolby Atmos, the IMMERSE project worked closely with BT Sport as the co-broadcaster of the 2018 FA Cup final to reimagine the way a live football match could be presented across multiple screens using an object-based approach and the capabilities specified by HBBTV. The 137th edition of the FA Cup final was contested between Chelsea and Manchester United at Wembley Stadium. It was watched by a crowd of 90,000 and by a worldwide audience of about 88 million viewers. The IMMERSE broadcast of this match was a multi-screen experience that users could enjoy using their TV and a tablet or a phone. One of the core design principles was that the broadcast mix developed by the match director would remain central to the experience. Our multi-screen layout sought to build on the broadcast mix rather than to replace it. A second core design principle, intended to make the interface easier to use, was to reuse the match graphics developed for TV in the interactive companion apps. Each match graphic is an individual object delivered over broadband, and it can easily become an interactive element on the companion app, providing an obvious, familiar and seamless way for viewers to interact with the experience. In the build-up to the match, we use multi-screen alerts to direct viewers' attention to the companion app, to see team news as it was announced. Likewise, we use screen alerts to show viewers that additional live cameras were available. And with the match underway, more options were unlocked. Chelsea fans, for example, could choose to see the view from a fan seat camera on their companion screens, or they could add a live view of one or both of the managers as a picture-in-picture to their main broadcast on the TV. The broadcaster can also define a number of screen templates that help viewers quickly select interesting multi-screen layouts with a variety of different content combinations available. These options allow viewers to adjust the way they experience the match, slanting it to their preference, allowing them to see, for example, the real-time reactions of their team's manager to contentious events in the game. Multi-screen alerts advertise when new replays are added. Tapping on these on the companion app takes the viewers directly to the correct menu and previews the content. Then, in the same way as with the live cameras, the replay can be added to the viewer's screen of choice. All of these features require layout rules to maintain the quality of experience irrespective of the content and layout choices made by each viewer. For example, full screen assets like the match clock and the channel bug are not scaled down as much as a video when they're translated to the tablet screen. This means they remain large enough to be used as interactive graphics. The match clock and the channel bug remain locked to the relative position of the overall screen and are not scaled relative to the live broadcast feed, which may appear either full screen or in a split screen configuration. This provides a consistent way to display the match clock and the channel bug across all screens in the home. Other graphics have specific context relative to the video being shown, such as name labels, so rules exist to dictate whether they should be shown over the current video and, if so, to ensure that the correct scaling and positioning is applied. The IMMERSE project showcased this HBBTV-enabled experience in IBC's Future Zone in 2018. It was warmly received by the wider broadcast industry, who appreciated the way personalisation features were augmenting the core broadcast presentation.